Management asked me to do the voiceover for this video of Mom prepping my favorite treat. I've always wondered how she makes it. Wait, what are those blue bottles? I bet she'll choose the green churro because she knows it's my fave. Oh, hell no. Hey, put me down. Wait a minute. Is she crushing a pill? No, those must be the special freeze-dried treats we see all over TikTok. I guess I can forgive her for choosing the orange churro then. I wonder if she knows she can move faster than this. No, please. It was a joke. Oh, hey, I found those blue bottles. Hey, Alexa, what is gabapentin and serenium? It appears Mother has betrayed me yet again with evil, bitchless veterinary medicine. Not only is she drugging me, she's giving the other half of my treat to evil Larry. I hate it here.